In 100 meters, arrive at Tracks and Wheels, on the left. Your destination is on the right.
Pag first time kasi dapat yun ang ginagawa ko, hindi ako diretso pumasok sa customer. To be safe, dito lang muna ako sa tabi, tapos inaalam ko. Ngayon alam ko na ang stepping, doon ako mag-park sa gilid muna. Yes, sir.
Just give it a few minutes. You'll
Yeah,
be
yeah.
able to turn around
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah.
They're gonna just move out of your
Take
way.
your time. I can stay here like 2 days. In my GPS, the location is at the other side.
I know. We used to own that building,
Oh, okay.
but
That's why.
That's what I was saying. When I looked for the load, it said it had already been picked up. Then it deleted it. So I was afraid that it had gone across the road. The guy didn't see that we were.
You can see the Kubota, so common sense.
We've done so much to change that with everybody, and
I had scenarios that when I arrive at the location, the actual address of the customer is 5 miles. So I still locate the location. I call them, ask for direction. Every day, sir, there's delivery here? No.
no. not
Every week.
day.
Every week.
Not lately, just because everything's so back ordered.
Oh, okay. And it's my first time here because I do long haul, long trips. But now it's almost long weekend.
So they're trying to-
I refuse the long trips. That's why they said me just close customer. Hi guys. Ito ako sa North Bay, Ontario. Malapit lang to sa Toronto, mga 2.5 hours. Ako ay parang local delivery lang ngayon kasi June 27, sa 29 kasi ako ay mag bakasyon, book off, kaya hindi na ako binigyan ng mga malayuan na biyahe like sa USA. Local delivery na lang. Support local deliveries muna ako ngayon sa team ng local namin. 2 drops to. Kanina nagpunta ako doon sa Gravenhurst, Ontario, tapos ito yung second drop, yung final drop. Ito ay before ng bayan ng North Bay, Ontario. Napadaan ako doon before nung galing ako ng Montreal at saka Ottawa nung ako ay papunta ng Winnipeg, Manitoba. Dito na highway 11, nakadaan ako dito nung ako pa ay nag-training kasama yung instructor ko sa city. Dinrive namin hanggang dito tapos nag-U-turn. Kaya itong customer na napuntahan ko today is mga first time ko. Aalamin talaga natin ano ang stepping. So mga kuanto na produkto yung parang mga maliliit na backhoe. So may mga rampa sila. So hindi to yung parang warehouse na stepping, no, yung dock door. Ito ay parang outdoor lang.
What's at the back?
Sir?
What's at the back? The trailer.
I don't know that thing. It's my first time to see this kind of. It's like that one. It's just.
Okay.
So I'm gonna back up now.
Your door's open?
I'll open it. Guys, pang naghihintay. Orange. siya, oy.
In 6 kilometers, turn.